Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Batista. My current role, I am a case manager. I work with pregnant women who are dually diagnosed with both substance use disorder as well as a mental health diagnosis. Many of the moms that I work with are still using substances or may be on MAT, some sort of like methadone, Subutex, some kind of medication-assisted treatment during their pregnancy. And then after their pregnancy, we keep these moms on our caseload for another 2 years. It is a cool program funded by Houston First to help these moms maintain stability in their life, balancing sobriety, having another child. We're just a big safety net for them and link them to whatever services they need in that time frame. I believe that mental health diagnoses are really important because that is what tells us as the clinicians or the client themselves what the best treatment or medication could be that should be implemented to achieve balance and like mental stability in their lives, which that's the overall main goal, right? To have our clients live comfortably. So having the correct diagnosis and a mental health diagnosis is like the main, is so important because then that leads the pathway to everything else that we are trying to achieve, what kind of treatment plans they need, and so on. I don't participate as much anymore as like a case manager than I did before. Like I was a counselor before, and I used to be doing like the initial treatment plans and the intakes and all like figuring out what the initial goals were going to be when I was a counselor. Whereas as a case manager, I don't do that as much anymore. I guess right after the moms deliver, we spend a lot of time with them. So if like me as the case manager, I recognize that they may be slipping into postpartum depression or anything, I'll have them complete the Edinburgh Depression Scale and then go over their score with them. And if they do score high, like they have postpartum depression, I guess that's where I would be the one giving a diagnosis. But even at that point, I just say I refer to additional counseling services, or I offer counseling through me, or something of that along those lines. Anyway, that is my introduction. We have a lot of interesting things coming our way, it seems, and I look forward to learning all of it with you. Thanks.